up everyone? So we're here at the Volcano Garden Arts. This place is really cool. First time here and we didn't expect to see something like this, so let's take a peek inside. There's an art gallery, cafe with a simple but nice menu where you can get coffee, ponds with beautiful flowers and sculptures, and that's where the cafe is right there, and the rest of the gift shop. It's pretty cool. Just a really peaceful, serene atmosphere. And there's also native species of plants growing here, like ko and ohia, as well as bamboo. And let's go in here. This is a really cool place over here. Nice sound. Has a really good feel about it. I mean, just look at this bench right here in this room, surrounded by trees. These tall trees. And this really cool statue. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like wow. Just wow. You can just kind of get some coffee, walk around, or just sit down on this bench and enjoy the view. Yay! And we're entering the cafe.
You want to sit in that area?
There's even a bunny really big fat bunny right there. Just finished eating carrots. It's so cute. It has a little bunny house right there.
No, that's noble.
There's a good bunny.
Not with your feet, please. The bunny's there.
A bunny. Ay. Easy.
Gentle.
Bunny, easy. The bunny's like, I don't care about anything.
Just gonna stay.
Eesh. Nice. Okay, we're going into a secret spot that the owner, Ira Ono is his name, recommended for us to check out here. Let's see where this takes us. Is this it? Huh? I'm not sure if I'm going the right way here. Looks like a crazy jungle, but it definitely has been cleared, so I guess they're planning on doing something. Nice natural forest. Okay, let's go back to civilization. And this one is a wild orchid. Okay, I guess this is the spot here. Oh. Very artistic, just amazing landscaping. Lots of ferns and sculptures in a rainforest setting. Even got some taro growing.
And there's you in the car. And you can sleep in the car. Okay.
So it's a pretty big property. It's really nice, just amazing how much effort and artistic creativity has been put in place here. Some bonsai trees even. It's like, what doesn't this place have? It's just amazing. You probably spend the whole day here. And lots of places to sit and just take in all this beauty.
Wow. I don't think they have.
Just gorgeous, just amazing, right? It's like an artist's dream come true. Okay, let's look inside. Like this little tiny room is so cute. Lots of gift ideas, just amazing. Lots of beautiful orchids. This is probably the best place to get any kind of souvenirs and art things on the island, big island here. And it's in a beautiful garden setting, and it's pretty big. Lots of cool stuff. Mahalo for watching, and until next time, aloha!